Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education menta kesingi ka arpa hendreu tarik upanai jemang arajar RPR hak por shipo baje men step kala pelan ye result jang ka higher secondary school living certificate jang ka subject science stream hak ka kedan top 10 hakane ke kenti ka result jang ka science stream ki khana school nakiwi par ki jai penreu ke lawan kham shakaman hakate ke jing yakun ban yo yo so jang ka jing treshtom ka school Laban Bengali Boys kala yo ye kedan ka bahakamat na pedeng jang ki top 10 haka subjek commerce stream pan ki samla pulih kasih ki lawan bahasa Khaman.
Okay.
Habayo apanya kendu ubat di principal jangka school Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School i Dr. Mrs. Rinku Bhattacharjee ila itu ubak school Laban Bengali Boys kalayo kait yo so jangka jingjob haka line science nadu usnem syahjar kendai spa kendai pehonreu hadu menta kalong kesin kempa kendai yaitu ite principal Om Laban lenpat bak school kala trishtom harangkat ki kimigi kpa rengkat ru kinong hikai yaitu ite principal Shushu i Dr. Rinku Bhattacharjee ila itu ru bak school Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School kala yo top 10 haka commerce.
See, our science team started in 1994. So from 96 onwards, we have started getting our rank, and it is already displayed there. So it is the hard work of our teachers and students which helped us to achieve this result. For this digital mode, one thing helped us, we have framed WhatsApp group, and every now and then my teachers are in constant touch with the students as well as with the guardians.
Haba pai pat syakawai kaliang ki kimi ki kpa jong samla Arman Kiwar uba pulih St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong ki penpau ye ke jing sungu yo blei namar ke jing start jing shempang bawai hau khun jongki ban yo ye ke jing job na pedeng ki khana ke jela ban yo top 10 ha ke 5 position ha ke exam HSSLC ya ke subject science ibala yo hadu sauspa san par marks nagaliang jong kupau lai ku play kerpang yo khun la jong bala le bha barwanra ye ke burom jong ke ying kasem Uba Heaven Star taba ul ay ke jingyero ye kinong hikai bat kumjuru yo principal jangka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School harangkat ke kemi ke balai rap lem yo ukun ke kong me bada shishawar nakaliang jong Arman Kiwar balai skor mak sadu sauspa san puar ha ke science ulapun pau ye ke borom show blay bola bet ye ke jing start hau ulai thu ba ke thong jong u ha ke jingim ke long bo long civil engineering uteu samla Arman Kiwar udi wadon sap ha ke draw jing draw bat ai rong ai rup Habayo apanyakran bat ufara Anthony Kharkongor beri principal jangka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School laj kara Shillong upun pau baka school St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ka jule bha haman laus nam ha ka baki khana ki jiyo top 10 bat ka balawan ru lang ba ka jing trish tom jong ki kimi ki kpa bat kinong hikai
ningkong te so an ai ngo yu bule maru don kar bat nga ni di por mo ki jing jing jaru don ban te so pun ai ngo ru i mi pa nomor ke jing rap jong ki yang bat ka jing pembiang jong ki mana kasing te nga ai ngo ru ki nai kai principal mar ki ka jing ai ka jing kai jong ki ru ba rong ba pura bat bat ka jing yalam jong ki ru ka jing ai mensiam jong ki ru nga tumu bandit ka civil engineering te nga pen kre ki ni ki entrance exam ki ru nomor kam lang basuk mo kan ba ya engkong te su shani abi hubli nomor tingba mu te pra ban le ki pra ban yo ka thong te bat ru video ban trish tom ye de jur video ban dan ka jing ya sha wa man na kasing video ban le kata kam ra video hi ka jing thu te video ban pundap he am ngam ju pun kom social media ra lai tang da long kelas untuk te ka WhatsApp chang pun kam hi Menteri Wanong kiwi tengam da pedon kam nomor kalong ka distract dinga taru kam cepun kam lo tate kong dapi yaidon mereka jinget jung pi ho belai te sani abi tang ho orang ngim tup ra ke ban wan hadian dong sani abi tang ho tup kum ba baningi
I would say if you think if you need to make a plan or strategy, then obviously try to make some plan or strategy and try to implement it. And you should make sure that you work hard and maintain some consistency in your studies, and that is the key to your success. And ultimately, yeah, if you are able to maintain some consistency and keep yourself motivated, then definitely you will get success. No, I didn't face such difficulties in our exam time. It was quite okay.
You go for tuition?
Yes, I went for tuition.
How many you spend for the study in a day?
Actually, 4 to 5 hours, and when my exam was nearing, I increased. I studied for 8 to 9 hours.
I want to do engineering, so I plan to do engineering. So that's my plan for now. Before the exams, because it depends on the person, how determined you are. So if you are very determined, obviously you will achieve success. If not today, tomorrow.
What is the message you want to give to the younger student?
Okay, just make a plan, first of all. Follow the plan, whatever happens. No matter what the problems you have, follow that plan. Ultimately, it ends out well.
Where do you stay?
I stay near Circuit House, Laban.